Welcome everyone to a quick walkthrough of Silentpush's live scan functionality, new in version 4.1. So what we were able to do within Silentpush is actually do a live lookup to any URL that you would wish in order to understand a little bit more about the content that is hosted there. So let's go find something to go ahead and take a look at. And instead of picking on a commercial organization, let's pick on something that affects all US citizens. Fraudulent, spoofed domains associated with the IRS. So with that, if we go over here to the left-hand side of the screen to the web scanner, we can go and create a query that looks specifically for spoofed or potentially spoofed IRS-related content online. So in this case, let's build out that query. First, let's look for that domain associated with the IRS, irs.gov. When we hit search over here, what we'll be able to see is that search and scan result for irs.gov, including the SSL issuer organization, as well as the favicon itself. We can expand all of this data and start to pivot across it. So for example here, we can go down to the MD5, add it to the query. At the same time, we can go down and add the certificate issuer as well to the query too. So now, instead of being able to say equals for each one of these different values, we can say, hey, I'm looking for any domain that does not equal irs.gov, that is using that same favicon. And instead of the SSL issuer organization equals to ntrust, let's use let's encrypt instead. So now when we go ahead and click search, what we'll get back are a bunch of different results. Hey, this one is pretty interesting. Scan today. HTML title says get refund status. SSL issuer organization, like we specified, is let's encrypt. Let's go take a look at this thing. So let's go ahead and copy that URL. Go to live scan here. Paste that URL into the scan box. And then wait for our query results to come back. And right here, we're able to do that quick enrichment around the IP and domain in question. We can see a screenshot of what is hosted on this page, something that looks like it's harvesting social security numbers. And then underneath, we can see all of the different parameters that we were able to get by scanning this particular domain or URL. That's it for the first intro walkthrough video. Stay tuned for more.